rise to speak on this private member's resolution moved by my colleague Mr. Wenzi Vegas. Speaker sir, the government needs to sanction these all those tourist taxis, je subsidy je alli that is pending beginu temi korche batch. I think most of our Michael Lobo and Wenzi, they have both, this is our identity and the identity of Goa, our tourist taxi brotherly identity. This has to continue. जे 1000 गाडयो जे टॅक्सी व्हेकल्स जे कालच्या दिसाक मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगला जी स्कीम अंडर झिरो इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अंडर गोंयकार टॅक्सी पात्रांव योजना हे बेगीनूय दिचे लोकांक आनी 6 म्हयन्या भितर तुवें दिचे आनी जे लोकल यूथ आहाय तांकां हेजो म्हाका दिसता एक बरें तेंगेलें टुरिजम सीजन should begin with a bang. I hope that this assurance of the 1000 taxis is not like that of the 3 LPG cylinders. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Yes.